What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Desiree. As you can see, it is a lot brighter in here. We finally got the lights up. This is what I was working with before. So not horrible, but definitely wanted a little bit more light. So here we are. We got the lights. So I'm gonna try to do at least 2 videos a week. When I do upload them, it'll be Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm gonna shoot for at least 2 a week. Hopefully I can do all 4, but it's not always gonna happen. Like I said, I have 2 little ones, so yeah. If you're new to my channel, this kind of happens all the time where I like to ramble and have no clue what to say because I don't know how to do an intro video. Hi, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you can see my new uploading or my new videos when I upload them. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my video and let's get to it. Here I'm gonna take a brown eyebrow pencil and just kind of outline where the face is broken. Eventually, I'm just going to end up going over it anyways and then redoing it so you don't have to go as dark as I did. But this just kind of shows you where I want my skin tone to be, and then the inner part is where the space galaxy is going to be. Here we're going to go in with the blue from this water face paint palette and just lightly go around pretty much everywhere, and then in the areas that I actually want it to be blue, I'm going to go darker. This is just more of a foundation, and then we're going to go in with eyeshadow afterwards. So as you can see, I trimmed out a lot of video. If I wouldn't have, it would have been like an hour-long video, but I just wiped away the circle around my eye where the moon's gonna go, and I'm gluing my eyebrow down. And then to set that eyebrow, we're going over top of it with a translucent powder. From that same water face paint palette, we're going to go in with the black and purples and some greens and just kind of deepen up the colors a little bit and make it look a little bit more prominent. So here we're going to go in with that eyeshadow palette I got from Wish, and I will link the video down in the description of the full review on it, but we're just going to go in and pack that blue on top, and then we're going to go in with the black and pack it over top of my eye. After we're done with the black, we're gonna go in with purple and pack it on to my cheekbone. I'm just kind of going around. There's not a super specific placement for everything. I'm just kind of placing things. Here we're gonna go in with a little bit of the green, and then we're gonna take a light blue, and in a second we're gonna go back in with green and yellow. We're just gonna go flip-flop all over the place with different colors and just make it look a little bit, have more depth. Here you can see that I cropped out a bunch of this, so I wiped away all of the excess around my face, and then I'm going in with this white face paint, and I apply a lot, don't really mean to because I'm going to wipe most of it away here in a second, but this is going to be basically the planet Earth, and this is just like the highlight of the top part of it. And then we are going to go in with the greens and the blues. So I've been super lucky this whole time doing makeup with super cheap makeup, and it hasn't dyed my face. And the green is the first and only color out of this whole face paint palette that has dyed my face. It took a lot of scrubbing and different kinds of soap to get it off, but I'm so glad I didn't use it on my whole face because that would have been a disaster. But here I'm just applying the green and the blue very liberally, not knowing that it's going to dye my face, till here in a few seconds when I start wiping it off. And it doesn't come off, so I just end up covering it with concealer anyways. But yeah, so I'm flip-flopping back and forth between the whites and the greens, and just giving it some highlights and making it look a little less flat and more curved. So this is where I realized that it's not coming off of my face and it's dyed, and at this point I got a little frustrated, so I feel like I kind of gave up a little bit, but not like fully, if that makes sense. Like, that sounds horrible, but it made me a little frustrated. Well, like I said, super lucky that none of the other cheap colors have done it, but so I just keep trucking along, and down here I am wiping away the areas in a zigzag almost to make it look like it's broken. And then here we're going to start filling in the moon. I'm taking a really small brush and just outlining it and slightly going over the edge that I wiped away, so it doesn't make it look so rough. It's more round. And then we're going to go in with some black and mix it with that white face paint to make this gray color and give it like the shadows and whatnot that's on the actual moon when you look up at it. And then here we're going to draw my little astronaut dude and just give it some details. And he doesn't turn out the greatest, but I think he's cute and he's friendly, so be nice to my little astronaut dude. So here I'm just redrawing the drawing I did at the beginning. Like I said, I didn't need to do it as like precise as before, but I did, so we're doing it again. And then we're gonna take highlighter and contour and just define those edges. Here we're just gonna go and draw in some stars, some shooting stars, some Milky Ways, some, I don't know, just a bunch of random dots all over the place. And then afterwards we're gonna go in with the same eyeshadows that we were using before and just pack it on top so it defines the colors a little bit better. And that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed.